Ever pondered over the myriad ways the internet can become your gold mine right here in Pakistan? Seem too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today we're going to explore the ins and outs of starting a successful online earning journey in Pakistan. First and foremost, let's unravel the mystery of what online earning actually is. In the simplest terms, online earning refers to the income one generates through digital platforms, often right from the comfort of their own homes. From freelancing to blogging, from affiliate marketing to online tutoring, the opportunities are as vast as the digital world itself. Step 1. Identify your skills. Before diving into the ocean of opportunities, take a moment to reflect on your strengths, skills, and passions. Are you a wordsmith, a tech wizard, or a digital artist? Perhaps you have a knack for teaching. Identifying your skills forms the bedrock of your online earning journey. Step 2. Choose your platform. Depending on your skills, choose a platform that suits you best. For writers, platforms like Medium or WordPress could be the perfect starting point. Tech enthusiasts can start by offering their services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. For those with a knack for teaching, online tutoring platforms like Chegg or Tutor.com can be the way to go. Step 3. Build your portfolio. A well-curated portfolio is your ticket to attracting potential clients. Showcase your best work, be it a well-written blog post, a beautifully designed website, or a successful tutoring session. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your capabilities. Make sure it shines bright. Step 4. Market yourself. In the digital world, visibility is key. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram to market your skills and services. Engage with your audience, respond to their queries, and build a community. The stronger your digital presence, the higher your chances of success. Step 5. Keep learning. The digital world is ever evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, continuously learn and adapt. Attend webinars, take online courses, read up on the latest trends. A thirst for knowledge is the catalyst for success in online earning. To wrap it up, starting your online earning journey in Pakistan involves a clear identification of your skills, choosing the right platform, building an impressive portfolio, marketing your services effectively, and constantly learning and adapting. So, why wait? Unleash your potential and let the digital world be your oyster. The journey to online earning in Pakistan might seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, it's a journey worth embarking on. Happy earning!